Hey guys, this is Tharmi. Today, you will get new lesson from my story. Don't miss it. Without further delay, let's jump into the story. A lesson for father. There was a rich man in a town. He was worried that his son would spend his life without any clarity about how he should spend his money and how he should help others. Thus, he tried to explain to his son, what is the meaning of life? And what is the value of money? For that one day, he took him out on a trip. He took his son to a small village where he was born. Here, we will endure for a few days. He told his son. Both of them stayed for a week and returned to their own home after a week. On the way back, the father saw his son and asked, "What did you learn in this village? Did you get clarity on anything new?" The son replied, "People are so rich. We have only one dog, but they have 4 dogs and a lot of chickens. And our house looks like it's closed. But their houses are all open. There the moon and the stars give light. How lucky they are," he said. His father was speechless. Then he realized that true happiness is not in money. It is in the environment we live in. So friends, don't think that you have to keep more money and save it quickly. You should think that being happy with others is the greatest happiness for us. Okay, buddies, we will see with our next story. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get my new stories notifications. Have a good day.